Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we will be unboxing the Wicked backpack mini surprises. I'm so excited. There's 3 to collect, so we got all 3. Let's get started. So we're gonna do this alphabet one first. Nice packaging. We've got Glinda on this side with the crown. We've got Elfie on this side with her hats. So yeah, let's get started. We're gonna open the top. Oh my god, this is adorable. It says Defy on it, and Defy. Oh my god, I can't read. And we've got the little hat. And there's even little straps. That's so cute. We've got all working zippers. Yeah, there's nothing in the front pocket, but let's see what's in the back pocket. I'm so excited. We got some stickers. We've got Make Your Own Magic notebook. We've got a little gel Wicked pen. And we've also got some Elphaba hat sticky notes. And we've also got an Elphaba keyring with an E on it. And we've got a little bag charm. On to the next one. Now we're on to the next one. We've got same packaging all around. Okay, let's open it. Ooh, I think this has got different packaging here. Once again, really cute backpack with a Wicked sign here. And we've got just the word Wicked here. Cute green straps. And yeah, let's open it up. We've got a little pink gel pen. Pink Elphaba and Glinda stickers. An Elphaba and Glinda notepad. Elphaba and Glinda post-it notes. We've got 2 keyrings, which are the same. They're both little Wicked keyrings. You can give one to your friends. And then once again, we've got a little clip. Really cool stuff. On to the next one. Time for the Glinda one. I'm so excited about this one. I've been waiting for this one for ages. So we've got Glinda, we've got Elphaba, same exact packaging. Oh. Let's open it up. It's so cute. It's even got a little tutu on it. This one does not have a front pocket, but it's got a little tutu. And it's saying Glindafied on the front with a big crown. Then again, some pink straps. Oh, so this is a neon pink gel pen. I think this one was actually a golden one. So we've got that. Some good Glinda stickers. I love them actually. I've got this, but in big size, a notebook. Yeah, all blank pages. I think all of them are blank. Next, we've got these crown post-its. We've got this G keyring and a little bag charm. Okay, let's do the outro. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye! These are all of them that we got.